guys, this is JBL Bar 1000 Soundbar. See what it looks like. This is £999. JBL Bar 500 is £549. JBL Bar 300 is £349, and JBL Bar 2.1 all-in-one channel is £119. So this is £119, 2.1 all-in-one JBL compact 2.0 soundbar, 60 watts. Let's see what it looks like. And this one is JBL Bar 300, 5.0 channel all-in-one soundbar with visual Dolby Atmos and multi-beam technology, 260 watts RMS output, HDMI, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity, automatic sound calibration. And this is JBL Bar 300, 260 watts RMS output, HDMI ARC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity, automatic sound calibration, 349. Beautiful. And this is Bar 500. Yeah. See, Bar 500 and Bar 1000. So this Bar 1000 is 7.1 channel soundbar with detachable surround speaker. So you can see this speaker can be detached. Okay. So this is Bar 1000, Bar 500, Bar 300, and Bar 2.1. 2.1, Bar 300, Bar 500, and Bar 1000. So Bar 1000, you can detach it, and also Bar 500 can go with this bar, detachable surround speaker. And also this also goes with, you can see, JBL Bar 1000. If you want to test the press here, so when you press here, then you listen to the audio sound. Okay, so
Wade Watts. My dad picked that name because it sounds like.
So this is Bar 300. Then I press here. This is bar. So this one is. So this is beautiful stuff.